this whole pandemic thing is crazy now. And one of the reasons I want to upload this video is to let you guys know I haven't really doing DoorDash lately. It's been I think over a month. I haven't done DoorDash like at all. Like ever since this whole COVID-19 coronavirus, or how people been calling it, I've been home. I've been self-quarantined because I take care of myself and I care about my family. I mean, I have a 2-year-old, and I mean, he's everything to me. So if something happens to him, oh my God, my life will be completely gone. So I just wanted to let you know, guys, why I haven't really uploaded videos. And I mean, as a wife and as a mom, I already have a busy life right there. And since I've been home, and then with my 2-year-old son, Jesus, he is extremely energetic. So I have to find ways to entertain him and entertain myself as well. But other than that, I haven't been doing anything else in that. I don't really go out much. And if I really have to go out, I put on gloves, I put on a mask. Like I'm serious. I put gloves and I have my mask on too, because this is serious, you guys. This is very serious. If you guys don't need to be going out, don't. Stay home. Don't be like all these people going out and don't really care about others. Like they really don't care. Like they're just like, fuck it. Like if I get it, I might just give it to somebody else. Those are the type of people that you need to stay away from. Just you do you, and don't care about the rest. And just wanted to let you know, guys, what's been going on with my life, and be patient with me. I've been wanting to upload videos, but as far as right now, I haven't been doing DoorDash. It's just me, my son, my husband at home. And then you're probably gonna be thinking like, oh, how are you gonna pay the bills or whatever? I don't really have to do that. Like, my husband is the one that takes care of the bills. The DoorDash money, it was just my play money, my little play money. Like, I would get some extra stuff that'll be for me. Now, since I haven't been working, so I mean, he still takes care of the payments or whatever, but I don't really need to do DoorDash. It's just I'm bored and I will just do it, just, you know, to get a little bit of extra money, but I don't really need to. And if you guys are working, hustling, I've seen a lot of people are getting big tips, like extremely big tips, and that's good. I mean, as long as you, like I said, take your gloves with you, your mask, and hand sanitizer, and it's almost gone. As you can see, it's almost gone because I've been using it a lot, and I have, well, my Lysol is gone. But as long as you wash your hands, you'll be fine. As long as you don't touch your face whenever you're outside, you'll be fine. Trust me. And another thing I wanted to let you know, guys, know that I have a new car. I have a new car, and I'm gonna show you my new car. So just hold on, and I'm gonna show you the car. It's not just any car. It's, as you guys can see, this is my car. So cute. As you guys can see, and it's all girly. As you can see, look at that. It's girly. I know. Look at that. It's a little dirty because, like I said, I'm just home. I don't really do much, and I just wanted to let you know that this is my car, because the other one that I had, it stopped working, so I needed to get something for me, you know, to get around, since I haven't been going out. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna put some lashes in here because it's gonna look cute. And look at my little plushies, and I have my little plate that says my name. Just wanted to let you guys know what I have. I love it. I love it. Some of you guys don't like this car, but I like it. And I've done DoorDash with this car. I've done DoorDash. And people will be like, oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God, where did you get that tiny car? And I'm just like, oh, thank you. But yeah, just want to let you know, guys, what has been going on with my life. And make sure that you follow and on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my information down below. And make sure you guys stay safe, clean, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.